It depends. If it were me, let me tell you what I do. If it's me, what I do, so we just did a big launch of the Diamond Group, and one of the things that we're doing for all the people in the Diamond Group is we're building out a product range for them based upon my own best practices, okay? And one of the things that I do and love doing is building brands. In fact, on Amazon, if you're not building a brand, you're kind of screwed. You really have to, even if it's a brand with just one product. So that in and of itself ought to tell you that it's better not to diversify. It's better to focus on a particular niche and build out products within that given niche to form a brand. However, here we see a very simple thing which we've just shown, all about optimizing and getting more sales. Well, you can't really do that if you're selling diverse products that people won't buy together, but it's actually very easy to do if you're selling products that people will buy together as part and parcel of a brand and overall brand strategy. So all things being equal, it's better to build a brand, and then you can cross-sell and upsell, etc., etc. All things being equal, that's the preferred option. Hey, thanks so much for watching that video, and I hope that you got some massive value from it. Before you go, do you live in Australia? If you do, this is for you. Would you like to learn how to sell things on Amazon here in Australia? Would you like to know what sells really, really well and what sells for the maximum amount of profit? Would you like to know where you can source those products from, whether that be in China or here in Australia, and how to source them so you pay bottom dollar and get maximum value for what you're doing? If you do, please subscribe to my channel and like this video, and you'll learn that and much more. It's the exact same information that people like Jeff from New South Wales have used to make $45,000 a month on Amazon, that Sue, who's from the sunny coast, has used to purchase herself a brand spankly BMW every single year as a result of her e-commerce business, and the lovely Kate from Bowral in New South Wales has used to make $32,000 a year on, a month, not a year, a month on Amazon, and indeed Anthony, who makes $15,000 a month on Amazon, selling, as he puts it, odds and sods. If you'd like to learn the exact same information that they use to maximize their profits for their Amazon businesses, subscribe to this video, like my channel, and post below if you want me to teach you something. Okay, I'm out of here. Speak to you soon. Bye. Subscribe. Do it now.